Today, we will talk about the order of operations. Why do we use it? It is a rule to show the correct order of steps to evaluate an expression. This is the order of operations: parentheses, exponents, multiplication or division, and addition or subtraction. Remember, when you multiply or divide, and when you add or subtract, you go from left to right. Now let's look at some examples together. We want to look at the 3 squared. That 2 is an exponent, so 3 squared is 9. Now, I don't have a multiplication, but I have a division. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now, I have only a minus and a plus, so I go left to right, and I get an answer of 6. Here, what do I have? I have parentheses, so 2 plus 3 is 5. No exponents, but I have multiplication. 4 times 5, which is 20. Now, again, only a minus and a plus sign. I go left to right, and I get an answer of 28. No parentheses, no exponents, but I have a multiplication and division. So let's go left to right. 9 times 2 is 18. Now, the division. 18 divided by 6 is 3. So now go left to right. You get a final answer of -4. Now remember, parentheses, exponents, multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. And remember, go left to right. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for notifications on new videos. Thanks for watching!